अनन्तप्रथमं रूपं लक्ष्मणश्च ततः परः बलभद्रं तृतीयस्तु कलौ रामानुजस्मृतः. In Treta Yuga, when Bhagavan incarnated as the elder brother Rama, Adisesha incarnated as the younger brother Lakshmana. In Dwapara, when Bhagavan incarnated as the younger brother Krishna, Adisesha incarnated as the elder brother Balarama. And in Kali Yuga, Adisesha, together with an Amsha of the Lord, incarnated as Swami Ramanuja. Swami Ramanuja is an avatara of Adisesha. He is an Amsha of the Gitacharya, Parthasarathi. What is the avatara rahasya of Swami Ramanuja? Tasmai Ramanujaryaya Namah Paramayogine Yashruti Smriti Sutranam Antarjvara Mashishamat. He incarnated to bring relief to the Vedas, the Vedanta, the Brahma Sutras from the feverishness of misinterpretation, misunderstanding, misrepresentation and misuse. Just as the darkness is dispelled automatically at the advent of early morning sun, so too ignorance, delusion, and misinterpretation of scriptures were demolished the moment the Divakara, son known as Ramanuja, was born. Swami Ramanuja incarnated to establish the principles of equality, nobility, selfless service, to lead humanity on the path of Bhakti Marga. All acharyas before Ramanuja were called Anuvritti Prasanacharya. That is, one who imparts knowledge to disciples who have passed all the criteria in terms of basic knowledge, conduct, perseverance, etc. But Swami Ramanuja broke this chain and tradition. He, out of utmost compassion for all, introduced a simple criteria: desire to know. This is really a boon to people like all of us. Hence, he was the first one to be hailed as Kripamatra Prasannacharya. Speaking on the great masters and sages of India, Swami Vivekananda said, "You may mark one characteristic since the time of Ramanuja, the opening of the door of spirituality to one and all without any restrictions." Swami Ramanuja brought to light the Prapatti Shastra, Sharanagati Shastra, and opened the door for attaining Bhagavan to one and all. His compassion for every living being was consummate and unparalleled. He strived to assure liberation to one and all. He proclaimed the meaning of Ashtakshari Mantra, the very essence of all scriptural knowledge, considered a secret and exclusive to a chosen few, openly to all, against the wishes of his own preceptor, Goshtipurna. What is wrong if I alone am damned as a result of proclaiming the sacred mantra that would beget moksha to everyone else? Swami explained to his enraged preceptor. Wondering at his selflessness, Goshtipurna embraced Ramanuja, calling him Emperumanar, the exalted one. Swami Ramanuja's virtue was compassion. His means, integration. he not only integrated people, he also integrated philosophies. His was an integrated view of our Shastras. Through his unsurpassed works like Sri Bhashya, Vedartha Sangraha, Vedanta Deepa, Vedanta Sara, Gadyatraya, which includes Sharanagati Gadya, Sriranga Gadya, Vaikuntha Gadya, Gita Bhashya. Swami Ramanuja decisively clarified the unfathomable depths of our scriptures, demonstrating conclusively that all parts of our Shastras declare in unison one common message. He demonstrated that spiritual progress is to evolve from a state of go to let go and finally reach a truly blissful state of let God. यो नित्यमच्युत पदाम्बुज युग्मरुग्म व्यामोहतस्तदितराणि तृणाय मेने अस्मद्गुरोः भगवतोऽस्य दयैकसिन्धोः रामानुजस्य चरणौ शरणं प्रपद्ये.